In the meantime, Jyoti Vaswani, who's Chief Investment Officer, Future Generali India Life Insurance, joins in with a quick understanding of how her market outlook is shaping up right now. Jyoti, it's great to have you on the show. Thanks very much for taking out the time. Is it a tough task at hand, staying invested or cashing out?
Thank you for having me on the show. Yes, of course, volatility is always not easy to handle, and the markets are extremely volatile. So it is a bit of a challenge as managing this. Having said which, I think volatility also provides an opportunity to pick up good quality stocks at really good prices for the long term, and that's what insurance companies normally do. So it is a blessing in disguise in a way for us, and therefore we are looking to accumulate good quality stocks at lower prices, largely in the mid cap space, because the large cap space has not corrected much and it seems to be holding well, and there's been a sharp correction in the mid cap space, and now there are interesting ideas coming up there in terms of stocks which have corrected 30-40% and they are having good growth trajectory, and we are now beginning to look at these stocks and we find these stories interesting. So I think it's an opportunity, as well as it's an opportunity for us to accumulate these kind of stocks for the long term.
Hi, afternoon. I'm guessing that wouldn't be the same view when it comes to small caps, right? Or are you beginning to hunt there as well?
We are a little cautious on the small cap side. There will always be good stories. It's a bottom-up market, and therefore you have to be very careful and select stocks which have good growth trajectory. But yeah, at the moment we are still looking more at mid caps and not looking too much at small caps. Probably at some point in time later we could look at small caps as well. But as a philosophy, we tend to stay have very minimal exposure to small caps, and we have largely focused on mid caps and large cap stocks in our portfolios.
We'll be coming back to you and discussing a host of sectors, but it's time to take a commercial break, and we'll